Hello. Oh wait. Damn it. Setup. Okay, it works. Hello. Welcome in another devlog. Oh, woof. Hello. Welcome. This is another devlog for my 20 games challenge. Wait. I don't see any. Hello. There is probably a very big delay between the text between when I see your messages and when I respond because of Twitch stuff. Okay, let me try to think what I was going to do. First of all, man, Bluetooth. Nothing is easy with Linux. Now what? So I have sound in my headphones, but now also Unity. And Unity by default has very small UI texts. It's like horrible. And there's no real way, no really easy or no proper way to change it in Unity, and also no good way to change it in the system, because the developers of Unity hate Linux. How long do you have to make? How long do I have to make 20 games? It depends strongly on how long I'm going to be alive. If I was leading a healthy life, then I have like 30-40 years. If not, probably will not finish it, but we'll see. There is no this is basically no pressure channel, you know. I can just do it. A month probably. With my lifestyle, stress is killing your lifespan, life expectancy. And even without the job, I have too many dramas to follow as an unemployed. I've released 3 apps recently. 3 apps recently? My god, what apps, for example? What kinds of apps? Games? Let me think. Oh, so in Unity, what you can do in Unity, Bigotron. How many is there? Is there a finite amount of? Oh wait, there is some lag. This is scary. I hate it with Linux. I just saw that the video froze on my screen. I wonder if this happened in the stream actually, or just on my side, because you never know with Linux. It's always incompatible with something. But what I was saying, well, a lot of fantasy consoles. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, so in Unity, with Linux, you have to do nothing works. So there is what I did last time. There was something like this one. So no, not this one. Something like, okay, I have to do. Oh, this one. I think this was the right command to run Unity with not tiny scale, because the default scale for Linux and Unity is I don't know, you have to squint your eyes really, and for stream probably unusable. Create empty open, and now we have to deal with this stuff. You have to select the project every time because you cannot just run this command from Unity Hub. But if you really want to work with Linux, you have to deal with uncomfort. Let's see how it looks. Free apps on Picotron. Man. I will finish my apps. I will. Someday. This one is close to finish. It took me like 2 months already. So last time I did a small refurbish. What the hell? Okay, so now we have to deal with scale is 2. And we cannot make it scale 1 now. Oh, okay. So the immediately there is a problem. Why the scale is 2? It's like... So this is how what do we have in Linux? I set the scale to 2, and it scaled the Unity menus to 2, scale of 2, which is fantastic. I can now see the texts, I can read them, but now the minimum scale of my gameplay area is 2, and I cannot go lower. And there is a thread on Unity forums that's like from 2025 that they have no. There is in Windows there is an option in menu that you can scale the Unity texts in Unity, and this option is missing in Linux. I love it. So now I have to deal with this scaled up UI. Oh, okay. In scene it does not. Oh, okay. In scene mode, it looks okay. That's good. That's good. Let's play. It's locked. Why is it locked? There's a bug. Of course, there is a bug. Play. We have the game. It looks interesting. Now in the scale with the factor of 2. It looks nice, actually pretty nice. Maybe I should apply a filter. It makes it more like retro. This is actually pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. But I don't see any. This is unreadable. I have 75 RPMs. I never got more than 80. But let's hope. So now I have 2 options. Live with this upscaled thing. God damn it, this is horrible. Oh, or live with smaller fonts that will be invisible on Twitch. Screw it. Let's live with that. Maybe it's... So we have upgrades, and I have selected upgrade. And we can select stuff. And this gamepad, very cheap, but it works with Linux, as opposed to the Xbox gamepad that I had somewhere. It was working on Linux with this dongle, but this dongle caused a like freezing of Unity's UI every 10 seconds. So I had to live with the game being frozen every 10 seconds, or be using this old shit. So this is like Linux with Unity is like the art of trade-off. You have to select your poison. Whew, okay. But nothing, no problem. When life gives you oranges, you kill yourself. Let me think. So we have the upgrades. Oh, okay. So we have the upgrades. And when we can select them, and those texts change, which is very nice. But then I go to population upgrades, and now I can select 2 upgrades at the same time. Now I go back here, and now I can select 2 upgrades at the same time as well. Now I go here, and I can select 3 upgrades, and here I have to select all 3. So we have selected all of the upgrades except for those last ones. And I'm a completionist, so let's select all of them. Now we have all of the upgrades selected. And I figured out that first of all, I have to reset awesome Windows Manager. And now it didn't fix this shit, but it fixed something. Oh, I cannot close this now. Oh, if I close this, then screw it. Let's hide it. We have through trial and error and through extensive logging, because I'm also using a NeoVim to work on my game, which kind of makes it impossible. So this is another trade-off. You can use NeoVim on one hand, on the other hand, you could use debugger. And in theory, you could make them work together. In theory, Elon Musk could get people to Mars. Okay, so I figured out interesting thing. Upgrades menu controller. So we have a controller for this menu, and it's called upgrades menu controller, and it contains the information on the currently selected upgrade panel. And we have this, where is it? On upgrade selected. And I have this if statement here. Deselecting the old selection. Now the problem is its selected upgrade equals null. Not equals null. If it does not equal null, we unselect the previously selected upgrade. Now the problem is that in Unity, apparently they have overridden the equality for null and button. Now if button, I don't know, I have to really read into the rules of equality in Unity because it's so complicated. But this one will be null, selected upgrade will be null if the button is not active. And unfortunately, how my whole system works is that I have this section of buttons is activated and deactivated depending on the current tab selected. Like tab, I emulate the tab in code. So like when I click this, something in memory changes, like an index in an RI, and now we're showing this set of upgrades instead of this set of upgrades. Those ones are getting deactivated, the whole panel, and its children, which are the buttons, so this will be this selected upgrade will be null when we change the tab. Will be considered null now. The good thing is that this is really a self-correcting problem, because now I'm going to add logic. Wait, I could add it immediately, because so I should add logic that will set the selected upgrade to actual null when I change this tab. And this will fix everything, I think. Let's see. So we have update menu, start on enable, on disable, and upgrade. Change current menu. Oh. This is very. Hey! Wait a minute. Did I just accuse Unity for misleading logic and I just introduced an error? Because I set the selected upgrade to null already. So now this will work. And it will work even better. Wow. Wow, Peter. Peter, you potato. Nope. Doesn't work. Set selected current equals null. Ah, wait. Okay, so now another problem with Unity and Ubuntu. You have to refresh the assets manually. Upgrades. This is interesting what happens, because it seems like this. Maybe. No, I don't know why this happens like this. So we have selected O-ring, and I clear the logs and change this. Now we have nothing selected on this, on this. How this is getting cleared? Oh, this will clear it. Should we clear it? Yes, we should clear it. Should we select the first one from the list? I don't know. So I learned something today that I'm stupid. That was already known. We could select the first one. And is this Cool. Well, we'll see how it works with the gamepad. Currently it doesn't work with gamepad. And it did work previously. Why did I break? Okay, let's try to figure out. To be honest, this scale is horrible. Or we could do it different way. But how? Selected upgrade. Could do it even better. Oh, hi, Ayrton. How are ya? Are you touching grass? Because I'm no longer. Why I? Okay, so I. Oh, the chat is actually on the screen, so I don't have to read this message. Okay, why I can't use bits here now? Because I opted out of the Twitch. Something. I'm in the sun on my laptop. Nice, very nice. It's nice to have your own plantation. I'll be planting potatoes actually very soon. Let's see if this works. So I'm why did I opt out of the Jesus Twitch affiliate program? I think. Why did I do this? Because this makes zero sense if you have average one viewer per month. Why would I, you know, what does it give me? Nothing. I can only, no, I don't see a point. I don't really see. Except for, I don't know, maybe letting Twitch lose less money? I don't know. Because, if you give me subscription, most of it will be for Twitch. Why should I support capitalists? Rich people will be okay. I'm really, I'm totally sure they're going to be okay. Okay, selected upgrade. What I was okay, I've already forgot. They still show ads though. They still show ads? But to be honest, they never paid me. So my income from ads was so minimal. They can show ads. I'm really sure they will not earn that much money. Also, I can say stuff like rape. Will they now say show ads? I don't know. Wait. Scene. Can you not say that if I'm? Can you not say that if you're an affiliate? I don't know. Maybe they can. They just get offended by it or something, and they say, "Well, you will get no revenue of the ads because you said that." I don't know. I don't know. This is okay. So this is one of the reasons why I opted out, because I don't have to worry about anything of that kind anymore. I just can focus. I think people just choose not to say, and then everyone doesn't cause. Wait. I don't. I. It's very hard to see or comment. I think people just choose not to say, and then everyone doesn't cause everyone else doesn't. What? I think people just choose not to say, and then everyone doesn't cause everyone else doesn't. Yes. I think the gist of it is, you mean that this is like a peer pressure? Maybe. That's their choice. The words that I'm going to use is video game, boog. I don't know. Also, welcome to the stream, Mockups Pro. Boog, because there is a bug here. Upgrades. I go here, select something. I go here. Okay, so this works. But why the gamepad doesn't work now? What did I break? So we have menus controller, player input, events, UI. What? Oh yeah, I removed that because I didn't need that actually. Okay, let's delete all that. So this was not used actually, because the event system should do it for me. And it doesn't. The UI is a little big now. On click, upgrade panel. Okay, this works. Automatic. Okay. Text Mesh Pro, version control, visual sequence search. What was it? Analysis, okay. Now, okay. First time using this shit. Just get, so probably, god damn it. Current selected, nothing. Now button, okay. So, you see, the button was unselected. Button was unselected. Yeah. Okay. I should have a segment for jokes like Norm Macdonald, because now I don't know what to do and I have to think about it. So we have to, let me think, what is the best solution here? So mouse controls work, but then I have to select the button. Great. You have to select the button. Selected, upgrade button. That's the problem. Oh man. Oh man. If we select, going to be a problem. Ah, let's see. Kind of works. And you can actually select. That's fun. That is actually fun. And why this is locked? Why the hell is this locked? There's a problem. So you can play in level select, but in upgrades it's locked. Phew, phew, phew. Okay, but that makes sense. It kind of works. I'm still worried, but I'm always worried. Oh, it works with gamepad. Although there is only one button supported, so. But still cool. I wish there was some movement. Like having gamepad in your hand really makes you want to move something on screen, not just jump. Oh, oh, oh! There was a freeze. And that's fantastic because I'm dealing with all those freezes all the time. Let's see. Let's see. Player. Let's see now. Maybe there will be. I didn't refresh the assets, right? I didn't. It did refresh itself, but I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Attempting to select a button. What? Attempting to select button while already selecting an object. This shit and again. Let's see, what's that? Stuck. And we go set selected. We select the default one. We select setting selected game object, which triggers the button. We need this. I made it all the other way around. This, god damn it. I should really refactor this. So we have this panel that is governed by me, and I have to synchronize it with the Unity event system. But then Unity event system governs the selection of buttons, which I have to then synchronize to my system. And sometimes if we just do this, it works, but it's horrible. Let's see if this really works. Attempting to select button, already selecting an object. So we have it, we have the problem. Okay, now let's think about it. So we have the script on set selected. So this is where event system tells us that we selected something. This is for the gamepad to work. So what is happening? We are selecting a button which causes this to happen. We get on select. We go to upgrade panel, set selected. And this is all happening while event system is selecting game object. So now we are trying to set selected game object while selecting game object. We could safeguard this. Now let me think. Let's do experiment here. This editor freeze detected is not related to the current editor freeze. Okay, so now as a fun experiment, we'll do this. We will save because we can. Save project because we can. We just cannot do anything else. I mean, it doesn't show. We can probably click like run the game. And it's running underneath. We can close the game. We can exit. This is fun with Unity and Ubuntu. Let's try with Unity Hub because it's pure fun with small letters and squinting eyes. Oh, I also installed Unity 6.4 and I will try it out later. Maybe this is better. Maybe it will work. It opened on a different screen. That's fantastic. So now it looks better. We have game scale. We can set any game scale. And we have very tiny little letters. But it's still better. It's still better. So I'm waiting for the freeze because I'm interested in the game freezing. There were some freezes in this game before because of the USB dongle that I had for my Xbox controller, but now I just removed it, and that was my workaround. So there shouldn't be no freezes, but there sometimes are freezes in game, even in the gameplay, like on Windows or something. Which is worrying, really worrying. Shit me. I lost concentration for a second there. And I died immediately. Okay. Upgrade. So now we have some money for upgrades. This works. This doesn't. And now it works. Then if I go here, the whole system breaks. We have this. We will have to eventually. I will have to eventually handle the situation how to make it undeselectable. What is selection guard? There is this option, the select on background. Click. Let's see if this handles all the cases. Because there might be many cases. Okay, it doesn't deselect the button. Currently selected is none. So we have to actually, when selecting the panel, select the button. Really, this is so fishy. I'm doing it very wrong, but let's just make it work for now and worry later. Oh, we have property for that. Apparently this is a common problem. Still shitty. I hate what I designed here. And by what I designed here, I mean what emerged. Okay, this works. This works. Now, what we have to do now is fix null pointer. Object reference not set to instance of an object. Let's see. Where? Selected upgrade. Set selected false. Change current menu selection. Through event. So we started in on go right. Why didn't I just do that? Why didn't I do that? Selected upgrade. Not Streamer has problems with keyboard. Keyboard skills. Okay, seems to be working, and now the only thing I should do. What the hell is this? Now the only thing I should do to make it better is automatically select first one that's not disabled, and this could be heaven. Change current menu selection. So when we select different tab for upgrade, select upgrade. Mm, actually, we can do for each have list here or not? We have upgrades menu controller. Upgrade panels. Okay. So I got lost. For each upgrade panel controller. Upgrade panels. If why is it active? Get active? No, it should be is active, right? Is obsolete game object game active in hierarchy. In hierarchy. Selected. Let me think. What should we do here? Is this enough? Is this enough? Oh no! It didn't work. Shit. You have to... No, wait. So we go panel set selected. It no works. No, it works. This works now. Then I do this, and this doesn't work. So change current menu selection. Change current menu selection. Oh. This is necessary because probably what happened is this function disables the panels and makes all the panels disabled, and this selects the new one based on what's enabled and disabled. So before it first tried to select new panel that's not disabled, but it was the same that was previously selected because nothing was disabled yet. And I think this will fix something. Yay! It works. I'm always skeptical because there will be something that doesn't work. Okay, but let's be happy. Let's don't worry. Let's be happy. So we have this. Now we have to handle left and right trigger. And this will be on go right, on go left. So those two functions, but we have to handle button press. Let me think. UI. This is the default thing that came with Unity. So probably a lot of this will go right click, middle click, scroll wheel, UI game, navigate. Okay. What is this even? Scroll wheel, right click. Gee, I don't need right click. Let's leave that for now. Let's try to add something else. Gamepad. Left trigger. Save asset. Magic. Unity magic. It will create some class probably. Close tab. Unity engine. What is this? Okay. We have this. And we have menus controller, which has player input, action events. No. Controls. Where is it? Jesus, I can't see it. The base. Ah, now better. There's a lot of debug. Behavior, UI, list empty, right trigger, add, function, menu controller, on main, right, add, menus controller, on main, left. Okay. Save project. Oh, I don't have selected upgrades. Oh, okay. Didn't work. So we have scheme gamepad successfully. It sees the gamepad. Input debug. Let's do this. Maybe I messed something up. Maybe my I press right trigger. Now, so it should work. Save. Did I not refresh? You never know with this. Never know with this shit. It doesn't have context as a parameter, but it still should work. Let's see if it works. So menus control on main. Am I retired? Am I mentally retired? Wait. Hold on, like they say. Like the real programmer would say. Hold on. I messed up. I messed up. Menus controller. Should I have one? Let's use one. God damn it. Okay. I messed up. So what I really wanted to do is actually go to upgrade. Shit. You motherfucker. Okay, so I really wanted to do is go to upgrades content. And select upgrades secondary menu controller on go. This is right. And here on go left. And this is way better. Save project. Run. Okay. Upgrades. It still doesn't work. It's fantastic. We are in secondary menu controller. Yes. Yeah, it doesn't work. So I have events UI, my event. Now I wonder, do I have to have this? Let's do test. Public void on go right. What was it? What do you want me to put here? Hirsch. Callback context. Input action callback context. Is this it? No, I don't think so. Let's see. Clear. Let's select this bastard. Let's refresh the assets first. Let's see now. No, it doesn't work. Or fuck. Okay, so I'll figure it out off stream. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye. I'm going to fix my bike.